Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change screen colors on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to adjust the colors on the screen that are being displayed, we need to open the settings. Then go to display settings, and over here you will find colors. By default you have this option set to vivid, and colors in the vivid mode are saturated and, like the name says, vivid. And you also have the temperature adjustment, so you can set it to default, you can set it to warm to have it a little bit more orange or yellowish. You can set it to cool to turn it a little bit more towards the blue side, and you can also set it to custom, and then you can choose the color on the color palette wheel. And as you can see, now the screen is a little bit more green. So let's set it to default, and of course you can also set it to radiant to have bright and vibrant colors. And by doing so you can also change the color temperature, and you can set it to natural as well. And once again, you can still use the color adjustment, but for natural, the colors are natural and realistic, optimized based on screen content. So choose the one that you like the most, and that's pretty much it. In addition to that, when the night light is enabled, then the color temperature, which is over here, will be overridden. So you will not see any color temperature adjusted. It will just turn orange-ish for the night light. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.